Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the expansion valve on 2006 RX Lexus RX400h. It's a hybrid, so it's a little bit complicated than the regular RX350. Okay, first off, we have to pull it down, and there's a connector. There's a live connector right there. You just remove it. Then we're gonna remove the glove box. There are 2 screws, 1, 2, and 2 bolts. One right here, and one over here. Remove it, okay? And then remove this. Okay, so we gotta pause the video and then remove it, then I come back. Thank you. After removing the glove box, we gotta remove this low motor housing or assembly, something like this, right? So to remove it, so there are about I don't know what, we gotta remove this bolt, 4 bolts underneath here. Okay, we can loosen this and loosen this, and okay, and there are 1 bolt right here, my finger, okay, to remove this and that, and there are about 2 bolts in here and there. Okay, that one, you see that one, okay, we got to remove. All right, so and 2 right here, 1, 2 right there. Okay, I use these flex heads. Okay, this they call flex heads, I'm sorry, yeah, to remove it easy. All right, so after removing this low motor housing or assembly, then we will see the expansion valve over there. So the expansion valve over there, see that? Okay, the 2 holes, 2 lines. Okay, it's gonna be holding by the 2 long Allen bolt, size number 4. So remove it. But you see that it also has the kind of a plastic wrap or something like this, the rubber wrap, something like this. And I have to cut it. Okay, you see that? Cut it and then try to pull it out. All right, so I will pause the video for a while until I remove it. Oh, okay, after taking it out, we have to compare it, so if it looks identical or not, and looks like it's very identical. It's really hard to pry it off because of this plastic wrapping and sticky wrapping. Man, you see that's still too sticky like this. See, very hard to take it out. And then gotta use you just use the flathead screwdriver to pry it. Yeah, to pry it from here like this and wheel it down. And you see there are 4 O-rings, 2 in the evaporators and 2 over here. We have to insert the new O-ring too, but before inserting it, you have to lubricate it. You have to lubricate the O-rings, if not it's gonna seize and dry up. Okay, so I'll tell you later. All right, so I'm done putting sorry about this, the new O-rings on. Okay, first of all, on that one, on the evaporator inlets, pipes, and then on this one. Okay, and now get ready to do this. Okay, so be careful of this. Okay, so we're gonna do like this, insert in like this, so the small hole is facing out, okay, and the bigger holes face in. Okay, all right, so all right, just like that. Then we're gonna lift this up, okay, and then push to the holes, upper holes and lowest hole right there. Okay, so just like that, 2 bolts in there. Make sure that all line up. Okay, and okay, don't over tie this. Okay, just very, has a low torque. Okay, all right, and then you put back the housing. Remember these screws here, okay, here, and something over here too. Okay. Right, that can come about an hour.